Hi YouTube, I'm back. I'm back from being away for a while. I forgot to film what I got last time. I got a French box set, but that will come up. That's coming up in the next few videos or so, depending on when I finish the show. But in the meantime, I got another box set from Big W. It was $80 today. It was a deal for $80. Do you want to know what it is? This show it was on in the late 90s, early 2000s. It finished quickly than any other show I've got before. So this show was on Channel 10 or Channel 10 back when I was in Perth. It ended and then The Simpsons came along. So you want to know what it is? 3, 2, 1. Hang on. Sabrina the Teenage Witch. I'll read the back of it so you know what it is about. Okay. Who could use a touch of magic? It's an old spellbound episode of the Teen Witch. Sabrina Spellman released John Hart and a talking black cat saying on Robin's body. As a outrageous mischief, Sabrina the Teenage Witch, brilliant colonizer, the natural world of magic and normal life. Teenage girl. Enjoy all 162 spellbound episodes in this 7 season collection now on DVD. Front, back, up, and yeah. Now it's PG, mild, supernatural themes, mild themes, including all 7 seasons. Let's unbox it. Let's show you the first season. That I won't read it. It's the same pretty much thing, so I won't read. I don't want to ruin it for you. And front. It says all the episodes in here. I won't take out the discs. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That was Sabrina season 1. Here we go, second season. Front and back. I haven't seen it yet, so I'm going to show you what's inside. It's literally hang on a second. Good, just moving forward. Here you go, here's the front. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now let's get out the third season. Yep, third season. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I won't read the description for it since I don't want to spoil the show for you guys. So here you go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Done 3 seasons, got another 4 to go to make it through. Season 4, let's show you the front. 1, 2, 3, and the back. 1, 2, 3. It'll show you the episodes, but I'm not going to spoil what they are for anyone who hasn't seen the show yet. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I forgot 3 discs in that one. Yep. There you go, next one. So I'm gonna get it out. Season 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. One, two, three. And then lastly, the second lastly, sorry, we'll take out season 6. 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's open this up. 30 episodes of this one, which is a lot different again. One, two, three. And lastly, for the box set, which I can take it out, is the final season, season 7. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's pretty much show you what happens in the last season. 1, 2, 3. And the last disc. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. There you go, that was the complete look at Sabrina's 7 season set. Let's quickly put this back the way I found it. Give me a second. Alright. Right, and lastly, the first season. And that was my unboxing of Sabrina the Teenage Witch on DVD. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Hopefully I'm back with something good next week. I have a lot Ultimate Pop and Ultimate Drive to come up with the French one. I've got a French box set, but I'll let you know what's in it and all that. Nothing exciting, but I'll show you what I've got in my version of it when I film it in the future. So thanks for watching. I want to do this for 10 minutes, so I hope you guys had a fantastical day. Smile, stay positive is all I say in my world. Hopefully I'll be back to normal soon with some uploads, but in the meantime, thanks for watching this unboxing of Sabrina the Teenage Witch season 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the final season 7. So there's 7 seasons, 162 episodes. Not as long as Friends, so Friends goes for another 3 more seasons. But anyway, thanks for watching. My name is Jose. Tell me what your favourite character is in this show, Sabrina the Teenage Witch. And tell me what your favourite storyline is as well. Okay, my name is Jose. Peace out. Love you lots. And I'll see you next time on YouTube. Bye guys. Peace.